What a sound. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about men's skincare. You heard it right, men's skincare. Because a lot of my friends, male friends, they have been asking me since I was making videos, YouTube videos. So they asked me why not make a video regarding men's skincare. So they were like eager to watch that video. So finally I'm here. I had to get my hands on some of the products because I needed to show to you guys that what are the things you need to buy to get a good skin. I mean good skin, that means skin that is healthy, nothing more. So another thing is, a lot of guys without using any makeup, any products, any skincare products, they have gorgeous skin. So I really appreciate that. But then yeah, as suggested by some of my friends to make this video, so I'm going to make this video for you guys. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is that men's skin tends to be oily. For us girls, we have combination skin, we have oily skin, we have dry skin. But then men's skin in India especially, like 80% of men tend to have oily skin. That's a fact. Because of this hot humid weather, all guys, almost all the guys I have talked to, I have been friends with, they tend to have oily skin. The T-zone is literally producing 2 liters of oil every day. Trust me on this. So I thought fine, I'll make this video based mostly on oily skin people, but then I have things and products which will suit both the skin types as well as combination skin types, because I myself have combination skin. So I have been thinking about this video since like 10 days or a week, like what should I incorporate, what should I not incorporate for men's skincare. So if you want to know about this about more about what am I saying? If you want to know more about the skincare routine of men, then go on watching this video. Also, before beginning this video, please, if you like my video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, because I'm absolutely new starting off my YouTube journey. So I really need you guys to cooperate with me. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is face wash. Like almost 90% of men never use face wash in their whole life. I am honest, I'm telling you the truth, because half of the guys whom I know, they hardly use face wash. Whatever they use is like the Himalaya one. Whoever I talk to, like if I tell them do you use face wash, they are like नहीं ये कौन यूज करता है, पागल है क्या. Then some of them are like, हाँ हिमालय का 5 रुपए का फेस वॉश आई यूज. But then that is not all guys, because Himalaya face wash has a lot of chemicals, and not all guys are suited or meant for using that face wash, because not everyone's skin type is the same. So I have a few face washes with me right here, so that you guys get to choose according to your skin type. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Mama Earth charcoal face wash. This is the face wash right here. I don't know my camera will focus or not. I know ulta aa raha hai, but then ठीक है. So this is the face wash, and this costs around 250 rupees. This is really good face wash for all you guys out there, because it's written that this has activated charcoal and coffee, and it smells also good, because I have been using this and it's a unisex face wash. So talking about this face wash is only meant for people who have oily skin or combination skin, who have a very oily T-zone, and who tends to like produce 2 liters of oil every day. Yeah, I'm not joking, it's true. So this face wash, you guys can use it, and it's really good. It has no chemicals, it has natural ingredients, pollution protection, and it unclogs pores. So it has been dermatologically tested. It has been pH balanced, free of SLS, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. So this is really good, and it's a good face wash. If you use this, you need to buy this from the Mamaearth official website, which I'll be linking down in the description box. And it has a lot of offers, and then I'll give you a coupon code also. So if you want to shop more of Mamaearth products, you can go on with that. I have another product of Mamaearth, the face wash I'm talking about. The other face wash I'm going to talk about is the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. This is a really good face wash for acne and pimples. All you guys who have a lot of gunks and bumpers on your skin, and who have oily skin, you can go for this face wash. This is the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash, and it also has neem in it. And this is also suitable for all skin types. So even if you have a dry skin, what am I saying? Even if you have a dry skin, you can go on with this face wash. This is a really good face wash. So this also retails for 250 bucks. So I got this and the charcoal face wash as a combo, and I got around 50 rupees off or something like that. And then I got a coupon code, which I'm going to link down because it's available for everyone. It's not for me, and it's not even sponsored, because this coupon code is available for everyone via Mamaearth, and their products are really good. So these two face washes, you can buy any of them or both. I have got both because कब खत्म हो जाए, कब क्या खत्म हो जाए, then there's lockdown. So I'm just buying both of these, and it's really good. I got both at 349, I guess. So it's a good deal, and you can use either of them. I would suggest you all to go for the tea tree one because it's really good for pimples and everything, and oily skin as well. So the other face wash I'm going to talk about is the L'Oreal Men Expert. So this is a men's face wash. As you can see, this is the anti-acne white active. So this is suitable for all you guys out there, but if you have dry skin, you can just go on with the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash, because that is really good for all skin types, and it does not dry your skin out. It has a gel-like texture. This one has a foam-like texture. So this one has been used up by my brother once or twice, and then I got all these reviews that is really good. It helps in brightening your skin, and it retails for around 750 bucks, and it has the power of volcano foam to fight pimples, and the result is clean, smooth, brighter skin. So if you guys want to go for this instead of the Mamaearth one, you can go for this, but then I would suggest you guys to go for the Mamaearth one. Okay, so face washes are done with, and now we jump in right to the toners. Now I know guys will be like, "Arey, why will I use toner? I have used face wash, that is enough for me." But guys, hold on, hold on. If you want not to use toner, you can avoid it, but then I would suggest you guys to just apply few drops on your palm and just do like this and tap it on your face. यार 2 minute का तो बात है. You should do that. So talking about toners, first I would suggest all you guys out there to use this one. This is any like normal rose water. I got this Banjara's one from Big Basket because quarantine mein I was not getting anything. So the one I would suggest you guys is the Khadi rose water that retails for around 125 rupees or something like that, and in discount it retails for 60-65 rupees. So that is the best toner I have used so far, and it's really good for men's, because I have suggested one of my friends to use it, and he's like, oh my god, this is literally so good. So after washing your face, just take 2-3 drops like this and then do like this and tap it on your face. So that is what you have to do. That is a very normal thing, and it will take around 1 minute. So I hope you guys give up your laziness about skincare and get back and use this. This rose water is really good. This one is a milder version, but then the Khadi Naturals Khadi rose gold water, or the rose gold toner, whatever they call it, that is really good, the rose water. So talking about the other toner I would suggest you guys is the Biotique Bio Cucumber toner. Look at this. I have used it. If you can see, it's almost over, and it's unisex, so anyone can use this toner. Anyone, you, your sister, anyone can use this toner. It's unisex. So it is about the pore problem. Now all you guys out there, I know a lot of you guys, like around 70% of guys out there have huge pores around them, and it's natural because they have beard. So it's not that you can't control them and you have to become like a porous person all over your face. That's not the point. So if you want, you can use this toner. This is the Bio Cucumber toner. I don't know it will focus or not. But then this is the toner right here. This retails for around 175 bucks and it's really good. It has a refreshing smell, and if you want you can use this or the rose gold rose water with a cotton pad, else you can just take it on your palm and again pat it on your face. And the other toner I don't have with me, but I'll link it in the description box below, is the Lakme Absolute Pore Fix Toner. I have suggested this to one of my seniors and he has been using it for 1 month continuous, because it is very convenient for men, because it has a spray kind of a thing. So you have to just spray like this on your face, and then after that you follow up with your any moisturizer, whatever you feel like. So he had a lot of pores all over his face, like it was dangerous. So I suggested him that if you don't mind, I'll suggest you something, please use this one, the Pore Fix Toner. So he was like a bit reluctant. Forgive me for the noise. So he was a bit reluctant to use the toner because he's a guy, and you know guys have the thing that, oh, why will I do skincare, what is this, so girly. But then skincare is not girly, guys. It is good to take care of your skin. So then he used the toner and it's been like a month and all his pores are gone, and he is just so happy. And everywhere, like all of my seniors, they are like, Upasana, please give us suggestions for what we should use in our skin and for our skin. And that toner really worked for him. So he has oily skin and it really worked for him, and I would suggest you guys to use that toner if you have like pore problems, like huge pores, and if you want to get rid of the pores, you have to use it religiously. You have to use it like for a month, and it retails for 325 rupees. I still remember the price. It's like 325 or 375 like that. And they kind of have discounts, but not on this product. Lakme does not give discount on this product. Only at times, occasionally, that is very rare, once in a blue moon, they give discount on this product. So it's really good and it's really effective. So that is all I had for toners, and now we'll jump right into the moisturizer part. So talking about moisturizers, guys generally have such noise, I tell you. So guys generally have oily skin, again combination skin, and dry skin being the rarest category. So we are talking about oily skin first. Oh god, why don't they just keep quiet? So talking about oily skin, the first moisturizer and the best moisturizer I have till date is for guys, and this is unisex again, girls can also use it. So for guys, this moisturizer is the Mamaearth aloe green tea aloe turmeric gel, sorry. So I don't know it will focus or not. So I got the huge bottle with me because I finished the 250 bucks wala thing, and my brother has been using the 250 bucks wala chota wala. He has also finished and his reviews are amazing of this product. It keeps your acne, pimples, your oily skin at bay. It just prevents, and whenever I have pimples, which is like very rare, but then I am also a human, I do have pimples. So then I apply like one pump, I take like this much, and I apply on the pimple area. So that's what I do. And this is the aloe turmeric gel. What you can do is after applying the toner, you can apply this like a generous amount on your face, and then you can just go out, or you can use a sunscreen. I would suggest all you guys to just invest 5 minutes on your skincare and you will do great, guys. Trust me on this. So this one I usually use it at night. This one has aloe vera, pure aloe vera and turmeric. The reason I tried to use this product, because aloe vera alone does not suit my skin at all. It tends to react with my skin. So pure aloe vera is not my thing. So I always tend to use a mixture of it. So this retails for around $3.99, and I again got a discount because of the coupon code I use always, which I will again link it in the description box. And this one is this one hydrates your skin, soothes damaged skin and keeps scalp healthy. So you can also use this one on your hair, on your scalp, because the guys out there who have like frizz problems and the girls out there who have frizz problems can use this product on your hair. You just take few pumps apply it on your hair like this and keep it for 15 minutes, and then just wash it up and follow it with your shampoo. So this is a really really good moisturizer. If you use this, you'll understand why am I so much like raving about this product, this particular product. And if you want, you can buy the smallest version. This is the smallest version is the 250 bucks wala thing, that is a tube. And this one, it has a pump on it, which is really hygienic to use. So the next product, the next skincare product I'm going to talk about is the Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel. So this is also a good, I don't know why it's not getting focused. So this is also a really good gel. This is specifically for people who have acne prone skin. This is a unisex cream again, I mean gel. So this is only for acne prone skin, or you have any active acne, you can use this particular product. For guys, this also moisturizes your skin really well, and it's also a good moisturizer. So this retails for, I don't know, it's not written here, but then this is a Dermat brand. This retails for around 575 as far as I remember. I don't know because it's not written here and I totally forgot. So this is really good, and it's ideal to combat pimples, blackheads and skin impurities. So even combination skin or oily skin girls and guys out there can use this particular product. This is really good. You just have to search on Nykaa and you'll get this product, Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel. That's all. This is a tiny little product. It has 50 ml of product right here. It's costly, I know, but it's really effective. The next product I'm going to talk about is for the dry skin guys and the girls, as well as for oily skin people, because this is an all-rounder. This is a champion. So this is the huge tub. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is a huge tub. I had the mini version. I used it completely. I gave it to my brother. He also used it completely. So then I bought this big one. So this is $2.99. I got a discount. I got it for around $1.90 or something like that. Whenever I get a discount, I just dive in to buy. So this is a really good product. As you can see, this is the size of my palm. Itna bada hai. And this one has how much product? This has 147 gram of product. This is really good. It's a huge tub. I'll just show you. I opened it a bit. So this is the gel. It will fall off. I'll just show you the consistency. Guys are going to love this, I assure. I would suggest like you guys go for Pond's or the aloe turmeric one. So I'm just applying it here. If you can see, this is like a watery texture, and this is really good for oily skin people and also for dry skin people, because this has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is really good for your skin, which makes your skin feel supple and really good. So I would suggest you guys to invest carefully and invest in whatever you think is worth it, because I think all these products are worth it, and especially the moisturizer, the Pond's one and the Mamaearth's aloe turmeric one. And that is all. And for SPF, I would suggest you all to go for any SPF which is above 30 and which suits your skin tone. You can go for the Neutrogena, Neutrogena SPF 50, that one. The smallest one is around 100 something. So you can go for that, because after doing such a lot of work for your skin, you really need to protect it. Protecting in the sense, protecting from the harmful UV rays of the sun. So you really need to top your skin with some SPF like 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. You're good to go. Massage it really good and apply some of it on your neck also. So you're good to go, and you'll never regret applying SPF, and you'll thank me later. So talking about my final, what is going on, guys? What is going on? Anyway, So talking about my final favorites for guys, I would suggest the Lakme Absolute Pore Fix Toner is the top one if you have pores. If you have acne prone skin or oily skin or combination skin, you can go for this one, aloe turmeric gel, or the Pond's one. And for toner also, you can go for the rose water one. If you have really light, normal skin, dry skin, you can go for this one. And finally, the face wash I'm going to talk about is the tea tree one. You can go for this one. This suits every skin type and it won't dry out your skin. So that's all I have for today's video. If you really like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and let me know if I was helpful enough to list down all the products and talk to you guys about it. And also, guys out there, please let me know if you bought these products and how do you feel after using these particular products, because these products are really great. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and it would really mean a lot if you guys support me in my YouTube journey, which I really just started off. And till then, keep on watching, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.